Let me put it this way. I recently came to realize that not everybody knows how to use the Clevender website. So that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. How to create a user, how to add the payment settings, how to purchase a paid membership subscription, how to gift a subscription to a friend, how to access the exclusive member zone, how to access the Discord server, how to overall use the website for you to be able to learn as quickly as possible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so here's the Clevender website, and as you can see, it's a pretty neat and well-designed website. I'm really proud of it. So you can see at a quick glance everything that it has to offer if you just scroll down. And the first thing you need to do when accessing Clevender, you might be tempted to click this button, ready to start, but it will take you to the memberships tab, and it's not really useful because you don't have any accounts yet. So if you click on join, you'll go here into this checkup page, but I don't recommend you do that. I recommend that you access the website first and then click here in login at the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see, there's the sign in pop-up, but as you don't have an account, let's just click on sign up. Here, you'll be able to enter your email, a username, a password, and then click on the sign up button, okay? So I just filled this with my personal information. So you should use your email, your username, and a password that's safe, and then click on sign up. You'll see that it takes a bit of time thinking, and that's a bug. Happens from time to time, but it shouldn't be happening when you're watching this video. So you can just refresh the page, and then, so now if I press sign in, I'll be able to sign into my account. I just logged into my account. So that's nice. You can see that here at the top right corner, this says, hey, Clever Seekers. And then you can click on the enroll courses, memberships, orders, grades, settings, wishlists, certificates, and log out, right? So now if I click on any of these courses here, I can access them, especially if they are free. You don't actually need a paid membership subscription to start the courses. So you'll see the other courses that are there, some info about the courses, description, the grade that you have. This is a quick introduction to the course. And then I can click on start course. And this will take me to the course page, which is essentially this page here. And I can read everything, play, and then set this to be complete and next. And this will take me to the next lesson. To check the curriculum, I can click here, and you'll see that everything displays behind my camera right now here on the video. But here are some objectives. You can see there's the final test, quizzes, and other bonus videos here and there. You'll also see some downloadable materials. For example, here's a hotkeys cheat sheet that you'll be able to download to quickly, grab some hints on how to use Unreal. And so, it's super easy to use, but those lessons, the next lessons, are locked because you first need to finish the previous lessons, right? So I can watch this video. This course is absolutely free. So whenever I finish a video, just click complete and next. And then I can keep doing that up until I finish the whole course, right? Let me show you how to actually use the quizzes. So you'll see that the quiz tells you to start the quiz. So you just start the quiz. And then you can click the correct answer here. There are some in which you need to select a few of them. And then you'll find some others that you'll need to fill in blank spaces with proper words. So let me just make this up for now. Set submit, and then you'll see your grade, right? So in this case, it's a C. It's 3 out of 8 questions as answered correctly. So I can retake the test, and you've got a time limit here, which is in this case 5 minutes, right? So now let me just make it properly. Okay, let me just answer those questions properly. So now if I submit this, it will be an A+. And now I'm able to go to the next lesson because you need to understand everything that you're learning in order for you to advance the courses. So that's mostly how to use the courses. Now you'll see that if I go back into the courses page, here's the memberships on your user settings, right? So if I click here to the website again, right, let's go there and then go to settings. You'll see the settings for your specific account. So you'll be able to change your name, the public display name, and set a new password, change your profile photo. You'll be able to see the courses in which you are enrolled. So you'll see the progress and when did you start the course. Then also the memberships, which you'll find if you are enrolled in a membership, you'll find it here. Then the wish list. So maybe there's a course or a workshop that you want to enroll in. You can set this to be wish listed. Then the orders, which is your subscriptions or your purchases in this case, and the certificates, right? So that's all on your profile plus the grades. If I jump into here, you see that there's the 1 to 5 grade, but that just means that I only completed 2 of the 12 courses, and that's the final grade, not the grade for that specific quiz that I just took, right? So let me jump back into the Clevender website. And besides accessing the courses here, you can access them by clicking here in the courses button at the top bar of the screen, or you can also click the search button here. And then you'll be able to filter the courses by Unity or by Blender, for example, or by VFX, or all the courses. So you can see that this course here is set to be a members course. So you won't be able to take this course unless you actually purchase a subscription, right? And then if I try to get the course, every single available plan will pop up. So let's say that I want to purchase the monthly plan. This will take me to the checkout, or I can just go into the Clevender website again and then scroll down and click the render vendor, which is the monthly subscription. So just join there and you'll be able to check out with a credit card or with PayPal. Just select the credit card for now, click submit and checkout. And then you'll see that this is essentially Stripe. This is on test mode, so I'm just going to input some false credit card information, but feel free to just insert your real credit card information here and the name and the country or region in which you're in, and then click subscribe. And it will take you to the confirmation page in which you'll receive like a text message on your phone just to confirm that you want to make that purchase. Everything should be fine. You should get your subscription. In case something went wrong in the process, feel free to contact us to hi@clevender.com. So now if I click on subscribe, it went through, and now the membership confirmation just pop up. So thank you for your membership, and now the monthly membership is active. So now you can connect your Discord account to the Clevender account. In this case, click the connect to Discord button, and then you will be able to log into Discord on your browser, and that will automatically open the server and give you the member role in the Discord server. And that's about it. You'll gain access to all the private member channels that there are in the server, which are super useful. So that's how you can connect your account to Discord pretty easily. So you can click on view your account, and now in the memberships tab, you'll see the memberships, past invoices, and so everything is locked here. Now, if I click on courses again, if I access this professional portfolio course, I can get the course and enroll with the membership. Just enroll, and it should be good to go now. Start the course, and that's it. Yeah, you can now check the course and everything there is to it. You can check the curriculum and just complete it. And at the end of the course, you get a certificate. So now to gift a subscription to a friend, you can access the homepage again, scroll down to the subscriptions, and then instead of join, you can click on the gift button and everything will change to gift. You can click on gift, and now it will take you to this different checkout. Make sure to check this out, gift quarterly. So this is a gift membership, right? So this won't be applicable to you, just to a friend. And also keep an eye out for this option, automatically deliver the gift code by email after checkout. What this will do is send a code to your friend, so you can input the email address here and then add a personalized message. Hi, there you go. Awesome. Then you can check out with a credit card, submit the checkout. All right, the payment went through. And so now I just have a paid gifted membership subscription that will also appear here as a past invoice of mine, but not as a membership because I'm already a member. So now let's access the email account. Here are a couple different emails. One is this one confirming the first subscription, and those other ones are one confirming that I just purchased a gift subscription. And since I gave it to myself, here's the other email with the gifted membership. So you see that now you've got a code here, and if you click this link, you'll be able to access the website and create a username, or if you're already a user, it will give you a discount for that specific membership, and you'll be able to receive it essentially for free because it's a gift. So if I access the link here, you see that I'm currently logged in and I can submit and confirm the quarterly plan, and you can use a code you purchase yourself. This was probably an accident, yeah. Most likely this has been an accident, but if you send this code to a friend of yours, that friend will be able to register and then get that specific membership, right? That's how you can gift memberships in the website. To access the exclusive member zone, you can scroll down the homepage until you find the exclusive member zone access button, which is this one here. If you click it, you'll see this notice here, like not a member yet, come back when you join the render seeker tier or superior. So that means that in order for you to be able to see the exclusive member zone, you need a quarterly subscription or an annual subscription. Just because I want the people that support the Academy the most to have the most benefits. So if you get the Render Seeker tier or the Render Master tier, you'll be able to access the exclusive members zone. And as you can see right now, I'm a render vendor, which is just 1 month, so I'm not able to access this zone yet. So let me just get a quarterly subscription. Let's click on join, all right? And now my quarterly subscription is on. And now if I scroll back down and access the exclusive member zone, I'll be able to see the exclusive members content, all right? I'm not gonna scroll through everything. I'm letting you know that this is a thing because you might subscribe to see the courses, but you're actually missing out on all the bonuses that being a member offers. So for example, you'll get VFX packs from VFX, you'll get votes on the next courses, you get characters and environments to display the VFX on top of so you can build a stronger portfolio. I'm gonna give the Render Seeker and Render Master priority support over other issues that might arise. Then I'm thinking about making portfolio reviews, but I'm not sure how to still make those yet. So be patient on that, but rest assured that that's gonna roll out at some point in the future. I want members to get the most value out of their subscription as possible, and that's the main focus of the exclusive member zone. This is not to separate, the monthly users from the quarterly or annual members, but if you're giving me more support, I'm just gonna give you more support. That's a two-way kind of thing, and I think the bonuses are really worth it. So that's about it for the exclusive member zone. That's everything there is to it, really. So in case I might be missing something, again, reach out to hi@clevender.com. But for the time being, see you around. I hope you really like the courses that I'm secretly crafting, and see ya.